Welcome to Better Biopharma. I'm your host, Tyler Menichello, and I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, come on, does the world really need another podcast? I mean, for crying out loud, even my nephew's Pomeranian has a podcast. I know, but let me tell you why we're here. Making biopharmaceuticals is hard. If you're listening to this, I don't have to tell you that. And the road to approval is littered with the skeletons of drugs that never made it. The goal of this podcast is to answer one sole question, or rather explore one central question, and that is, how can biopharma be improved? We're going to take a look at this from three different angles. We're going to ask, what can be done to advance the industry as a whole? How can developers move drug candidates more easily through clinical trials? How can they de-risk their programs to reduce the rate of failure? How can stakeholders across the industry work together to promote success for all? The second way we're going to look at it is, how are developers making safer, more effective therapies? Are they improving on existing modalities, or are they innovating new ones? How are they doing that? What's their strategy? What's their philosophy? And last, but certainly not least, how are manufacturers optimizing to production of these therapies? If you're watching or listening to this podcast, then you know biomanufacturing is not as simple as following step-by-step instructions. There's no recipe. Biomolecules, and indeed the organisms that make them, can be finicky. On top of that, there are financial limitations. These are expensive decisions and costly mistakes. We want to learn from people who have done it. At the end of all of this, patients are waiting. Better Biopharma is an extension of Bioprocess Online, an industry trade publication for biologics developers and manufacturers. Through showcasing conversations with experts from across the space, sharing their thoughts, opinions, and insights on topics like process development, CMC, and analytics, and many more, we hope to inform and inspire those of you out there doing the same thing. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy the ride.